Hello everyone. Is Google Chrome running very slow on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy ways to speed it up. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. A slow internet connection can make Chrome load pages slowly. Step 2. Close unnecessary tabs. Open Chrome and check how many tabs are open. If you have too many tabs running in the background, close the unnecessary ones to improve performance. Step 3. Clear Chrome cache. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Select cached images and files, then tap Clear Data. This can help Chrome run faster. Step 4. Free up phone storage. If your phone storage is almost full, Chrome may become slow. Delete unwanted files, videos, or apps and free up some space. Step 5. Disable unused extension or features. If you're using extra Chrome features or have enabled unnecessary options, turn them off. Too many background processes can slow down the browser. Step 6. Update Google Chrome. Open the Play Store and search for Google Chrome. If an update is available, install it. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 7. Check light mode or data saver settings. Some phones have data saver or battery optimization settings that can affect Chrome speed. Turn them off temporarily and check if Chrome becomes faster. And that's it. These simple steps should help speed up Google Chrome or Android. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.